This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which side is dead and why that matters. Consistent failure across devices means the earphones are faulty, not the phone. Once done, clean the plug and mesh with a soft brush and isopropyl on a cloth. Avoid liquid inside drivers. Make sure to test the connector in both orientations and try another phone or laptop to separate cable, plug, or driver issues before moving to wiring fixes. You'll next open the housing and inspect the tiny wires where the cable meets the driver because most one-sided failures are here. Once open, note color coding and continuity. Use a multimeter to find breaks. If you find a broken solder joint, heat, resolder with a fine tip, and reinforce with a dab of epoxy or hot glue so movement won't break it again. Make sure to preserve polarity and test before sealing the housing back up. You now reassemble the earbud carefully, aligning components so sound isn't blocked. Use a small amount of adhesive and allow full cure. Once sealed, test with stereo test tones and music with clear pans so you can confirm both channels work. If the side still fails, make sure the issue isn't the cable or connector by swapping to a known good cable or replacing the driver. If repair is beyond your tools, consult a repair shop or replace the unit. This saves time and preserves sound quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.